home sale starts tomorrow.
Hello! Why don't you try a home-cooked meal with yummy hamburger helper?
Oh.
Ta-da! Fantastically tasty, huh?
That's good.
What would you guys like?
Hamburger helper.
What?
1 pound, 1 pan, 1 tasty meal!
If you have type 2 diabetes like I have, you're confronted with choices. You can choose to feel sorry for yourself. I hope you don't. I hope you choose to get involved with a good doctor. Find out some things about diabetes and your own body in the bargain. You'll learn to check your own blood sugar and check it often. That, along with a simple diet and exercise program, can help keep your diabetes under control. If you're on Medicare, call Liberty Medical. No one is more serious than Liberty about helping you keep your diabetes under control.
Liberty assures you have everything you need to manage your diabetes, including all the brand name meters. And Liberty now accepts private health insurance, in addition to Medicare. Call today and get a free meter. Plus, when you join, you'll also get a free cookbook.
Call Liberty Medical today at 1-800-732-1409. That's 1-800-732-1409.
Hi, we're looking to save some money on our car insurance.
Great! At Progressive, you can compare rates side by side so you get the same coverage, often for less.
Wow, that is huge.
And this is to remind you that you could save hundreds.
Yeah, that'll certainly stick with me.
We'll take it.
Go, big money! I mean, go, it's your break, honey.
Same coverage, more savings. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today.
Tonight, she had a beautiful mind.
This is pure brilliance.
It's her boss.
I will make your life hell.
Mel Gibson much? But it's her body language.
Is this weird?
That will solve this case.
Holy mother of Einstein.
TV's #1 drama.
Get out of the cars, get out!
New NCIS. Then, how do you save a city?
They'll attack tonight.
When the killers could be anyone.
We got a dead plastic surgeon. So we got terrorists with new faces.
New NCIS Los Angeles after a new NCIS. CBS tonight.
Closed captioning paid for in part by the following.
Come on down. Play The Price is Right with friends on Facebook for a chance to win fabulous prizes. Visit facebook.com/priceisrightgame.
Contestants not appearing on stage will receive this beautiful Quoizel candlestick lamp. Features an early 1800s Americana look that was inspired from the Museum of New Mexico. Timeless designs by Quoizel. And get ready with this package of Remington shaving and grooming products. Includes electric razor and total head-to-toe grooming system featuring titanium-coated self-sharpening blades. Remington, how the world gets ready. And now here's Drew Carey with our Showcase Showdown.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Dusty, come on over here, spin the wheel. 2 chances to get as close as you can to $1. Stop going over. You want to say hello to anybody?
I'd like to say hello to my mom and Gerard and Dad and Claire and all my friends and family back in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Go Canucks.
Okay, there you go. Go Canucks. 40.
I'll spin again.
Spin again. All righty. Looking for a 60 to get that $1. Looking for a 60 to get that $1. What do you do up in Canada?
I work in internet marketing.
Oh, that's good. Good business, right?
Yeah, not bad.
40 and 85. Oh, sorry, buddy. Nice meeting you, man. Take care. Yolanda, come on over here. Yolanda has a clean slate. Nobody in front of her. Want to say hi to anyone?
Yes, I want to say hi to all my family and friends and my 2 babies, Donovan and Devin. Hi, guys.
55 or 95? 95. Yeah, not bad. Lawrence, you got to be to 95, buddy. That's why God made dollars. That's why they made dollars. Want to say hi to anyone?
Hi to my mom, dad, sister Monique, Brittany.
There you go. Did you go to Grambling?
Yes.
What kind of degree did you get?
Undecided.
Oh, undecided? A lot of money in that. 45. Spin again. To 95. My first quarter in college, my first grades in college, I got a 0.5. That was my first grade point ever. Don't feel bad about being undecided. Yeah. Still fun. 45, you got to get to 95 somehow. 45 and 80. Sorry, buddy. Nice meeting you. Hey, Yolanda, guess what? You're going to the showcase. How about that? Yolanda's on the showcase. Showcases are next.
When you were 14, we helped keep your skin clear. Now we have a solution for wrinkles.
Neutrogena Anti-Wrinkle with Retinol SA smooths even deep wrinkles. It works beautifully. Neutrogena.
Mom, did you borrow my green shirt?
That's not really my style, honey.
Weird, I can't find it.
New Tide with Actilift technology helps remove many dry stains as if they were fresh.
Hey, you found it. Yeah, must have been hiding in my closet.
New Tide with Actilift. Style is an option, clean is not. Get Actilift in these Tide detergents.
Hi, Anne. How are you doing?
Hi, Evelyn.
I know it's been a difficult time since your mom passed away.
Yeah, I miss her a lot, but I'm okay. Wow, that was fast. This is the check I've been waiting for. Mom had a guaranteed acceptance life insurance policy through the Colonial Penn program, and this will really help with the cost of her final expenses.
Is it affordable?
It costs less than 35 cents a day. That's pretty affordable, huh?
That's less than the cost of a postage stamp. So, you said it was guaranteed acceptance?
Yes, it's for people ages 50 to 85. There's no medical exam or health questions. You can't be turned down because of your health. It fit right into Mom's budget and gave her added peace of mind. You should give them a call.
Are you between the ages of 50 and 85? For less than 35 cents a day, you can get guaranteed acceptance life insurance through the Colonial Penn program. You cannot be turned down because of your health. There are no health questions or medical exam. Your rate will never go up, and your benefit will never go down due to age. Guaranteed. These days, the average cost of a funeral is over $7,300, and Social Security pays a death benefit of just $255. Don't leave a burden for your loved ones. Call about the Colonial Penn program now. Call 1-800-708-5400 for your free information and a free gift. That's 1-800-708-5400, or visit us online at cpdirect.com. Call now.
Traditionally, Tuesday is pork chop night. But when I take 4 pork chops and sprinkle on a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch, I get something that's anything but traditional. Ranch pork chops.
Hidden Valley Ranch. Mix it up.
The young survivors are physical and smart.
Woo!
But are they united?
Next thing you know, you're gonna be walking away and your torch is put out.
New Survivor, CBS Wednesday.
Welcome back, everybody, to The Price is Right. Yolanda and Alicia are about to hear the first showcase. Pay close attention because it could go to either one of you. Here we go. Good luck.
All right, Alicia and Yolanda, it's time to shape up, and you'll be feeling fitter than ever thanks to this new treadmill bike. The revolutionary treadmill bike from Bicycle Forest has a rugged design with all-terrain tires. It offers the same fat-burning benefits of a conventional treadmill, but you can enjoy it outside from Bicycle Forest. And once you've done your cardio, it's time to tone up with this new home gym. The Smith Cage system from Inspire Fitness offers an array of exercises for the person who's looking for a complete and balanced workout. It features a dual stack weight design to provide unique isolateral exercises from Inspire Fitness. And now that you've worked out all those muscles, it's time to give them a rest in your very own sauna. Presenting the Barrel Personal Sauna from Almost Heaven Saunas. Manufactured in the mountains of West Virginia, this truly unique freestanding sauna is milled from clear red cedar and built with a solid construction that can be used inside or out. And finally, we've got a little more bike riding for you on this new motorcycle. Built with 60s styling and a modern attitude, it's the Triumph Thruxton motorcycle. With an 865cc engine, low-rise bars, and spoke wheels, it's fast and smooth. It's a whole new you with the treadmill bike, the home gym, the sauna, and the motorcycle. And it's all yours if the price is right.
Okay, thank you very much, Rachel. Alicia, you won the most from the show, so you get to decide whether to bid on that or pass it on to Yolanda.
I'm gonna pass it along.
Yolanda, that's all yours. The price is right.
Okay, Drew. You know what? Let's go $22,000.
$22,000. All righty, good luck to you. Alicia, here we go. Good luck.
All right, Alicia, it's come to my understanding that you have 2 children, a 1-year-old boy named Isaac and a 7-year-old girl named Leia. Leia like Princess Leia? Well, because I think your little Princess Leia might enjoy a good night's sleep in this amazing Star Wars bedroom. The Force will be with your kids as they play, read, and sleep, surrounded by Luke Skywalker, Yoda, and Darth Vader. This collection includes everything you see here, plus a Simmons Wilson's Peak Extra Firm twin mattress. Luke, I am your father. And next, their adventure continues with trips to Legoland, SeaWorld, and the zoo in San Diego. You and a guest will be driven in a chauffeured limousine from Los Angeles to San Diego for a 5-night stay, including daily breakfast and 1 dinner from Lowe's Coronado Bay Resort, a beautiful bayfront luxury hotel in San Diego. Relax and enjoy a complete resort experience. Unwind with a soothing massage, enjoy a romantic gondola ride, or watch the sunset over the Pacific in Mistral Restaurant. All this plus the signature services and amenities you'd expect from a Lowe's hotel. And we're giving you admission to 3 of San Diego's most famous amusement parks, SeaWorld, Legoland, and the San Diego Zoo. So now, Alicia, the kids are happy. Now how about an adventure just for you? Alicia, you're off to one of the most sensational cities in the world. It's Monte Carlo. You and a guest will fly a round-trip coach from Los Angeles to Nice, and then on to Monte Carlo for a 6-night stay in an opulent hotel in the heart of Monte Carlo. Immerse yourself in the area's joie de vivre and the azure allure of the Mediterranean. Plus, you and your guest will be accompanied by a professional guide when each of you takes the wheel of a Ferrari for an hour drive around Monaco. This showcase is full of adventure with the Star Wars bedroom and the trips to San Diego and Monte Carlo. All yours, Alicia, if the price is right.
Alicia, that's a nice showcase. What do you bid for that? $18,500. $18,500. All right, we'll be right back to find out who wins what right after this, so go away.
A short time ago, this woman suffered from limited mobility. A month ago, this man wasn't even able to get around his house. These are people who chose mobility, and they chose the Scooter Store. If you're living with limited mobility, call the Scooter Store today. I guarantee no other company will work harder to make you mobile. If we qualify you and Medicare denies your claim for a new power chair or scooter, I'll give it to you absolutely free. That's the Scooter Store guarantee.
I expected they'd help me file some paperwork with Medicare and my insurance. I never expected them to be so nice or to work so hard to get me a power chair at no cost to me.
You don't qualify for Medicare? No problem. We'll work with your insurance company, even help with financing. If there's a way, we'll find it.
Call the Scooter Store for free information today.
Call for more information and receive this puzzle book absolutely free. Call the Scooter Store today at 1-800-610-9300. That's 1-800-610-9300.
Learn about a free trial offer from Abilify. If you're taking an antidepressant and still feel depressed, one option your doctor may consider is adding Abilify. Abilify treats depression in adults when added to an antidepressant. Some people had symptom improvement in